Hello, in this video I want to show you how to claim Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus game on your Epic Games launcher. And to do this, first you need to download the launcher. You can check our previous video on how to do it if you need help with that. So open the launcher, right here go for the library, and store. Then scroll down, find the Mechanicus, it's free right now till November 3 at 4 p.m. And now click on it. Then select Get. You need to enter your parental control PIN code. You can also accept to share the email with Cassetto Games, etc. And then click on Place Order. Click I agree. Now we can go to our library again. Right here, find the Mechanicus game. And you can install it to whichever disk or path you prefer. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.